All right, let's dive right in. If you're a professional in law, finance, or commerce here in India, you've probably felt it. There's this buzz in the air. It's the hum of artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, this isn't some sci-fi movie concept anymore. It's here, right now, changing how we handle tasks, build strategies, and even think about our careers. So let's unpack what this massive AI-driven shift really means for all of us.
So that brings us to the big question, the one we really have to answer. Why is this so important right now? For years, technology was a tool, a nice-to-have that gave you an edge. But with AI, the whole game has changed. This isn't just about getting ahead anymore. It's about staying in the race. We've got to understand why AI has become absolutely fundamental for both survival and, of course, for scaling up.
And this quote, it just nails it. We are so far past the what if stage. AI is the reality on the ground in so many industries. I mean, think about it. You've got automated systems that can plow through legal contracts in minutes, work that used to take days, or AI that spots fraud and financial transactions in real time. These aren't just cool ideas. They are the tools defining what it means to be efficient and valuable today.
And let's be super clear, this isn't just some trend happening somewhere else in the world. It's right here in India, and the proof is all around us. We've all seen the government roll out faceless assessment for taxes, right? That whole system runs on smart data processing. And don't even get me started on the explosion of digital finance. All of it is powered by AI algorithms. The shift isn't coming, it's already happened.
Now, here's something a lot of people get wrong. They hear AI and they think it's all about coding and data science, but that's not where the real action is. The biggest impact is happening at the strategic level. The skill that matters most isn't about building an AI, it's about knowing how to use it. This is for the decision makers, the lawyers, the CAs, the people who need to figure out how to point these incredible tools at a problem and get results.
This slide shows you exactly what I'm talking about. It's a fundamental shift in what our roles are. For years, value came from being a processor, manually digging through piles of data and documents. But now, the value is in being a strategic architect. You're the one who designs the system, who oversees the AI-powered process to get a smarter, faster outcome. It's a total upgrade.
And that's the kicker, right here, 0. That's how many lines of code you need to write. The power isn't in the programming, it's in the application. It's about knowing what questions to ask the AI, how to build a strategy around it, and how to make sure it's used ethically and effectively in your field.
Okay, so how do we actually get our heads around this huge transformation? Well, you can think of it in 3 big parts, 3 pillars of mastery. These aren't just ideas, they are the practical building blocks for thriving in this new professional world. Let's break them down.
First up, you've got the toolkit. These are the AI applications you can start using today, like right now, to make your work faster and better. Second, you need the roadmap. This is the big picture thinking, the strategic vision for how you're going to weave AI into your long-term goals. And third, and this is absolutely crucial, it's all about the India focus. Because our legal and business landscape has its own unique rules, its own challenges, and its own incredible opportunities.
Let's drill down on that India focus for a second. We're talking about real, tangible stuff. Think about the nightmare of GST reconciliation, using AI to match thousands of invoices in a blink of an eye, or using it to hunt down that one obscure precedent hidden in the mountains of the Income Tax Act. For lawyers, it's about making sense of new kinds of digital evidence. This is where the AI revolution stops being an abstract idea and starts solving our very specific local problems.
So, what does actually bringing AI into your work look like? It's not like you just flip a switch one day. It's a journey, a process that happens in phases. Let's walk through what a typical 50-day roadmap might look like for a professional or a firm that's serious about this.
You see, it builds on itself. It all starts with the basics, mastering prompt engineering, which is really just the art of talking to an AI to get what you want. From there, you start applying it to specific areas, maybe finance and tax first, then moving into the more complex world of law and advocacy. The end game here is to go from just using AI for tasks to actually building a comprehensive AI strategy for your entire practice, all while keeping an eye on what's coming next in tech and policy.
So, what's the point of all this? What do you walk away with? It's not just a bunch of new software skills. The ultimate goal, the final deliverable, is your own personal AI adoption plan. This becomes your playbook, a concrete strategy that gives you the confidence to lead your team, your department, or your whole firm into the next decade.
And that really brings us full circle, doesn't it? This whole journey, it's about more than learning a few new tricks. It's a fundamental transformation. It's about evolving into an AI-powered professional, someone who's truly ready for what's coming next.
So let's get one thing straight. The fear isn't that AI is going to come for your job. That's the wrong way to think about it. The reality is that professionals who learn how to wield AI are the ones who will replace those who don't. Adaptation isn't a choice anymore. It's the single biggest factor for your future success.
And that really just leaves one final question for you. This massive change is happening, with or without us. So the only question that matters is, what are you going to do about it? Are you ready to just keep up, or are you ready to lead the future of commerce and law in India?